down we go. Hello everybody, welcome to Explorations. My name is Rob. Today we are looking at some accessories for underwater filming and photography. Specifically, we are looking at lens filters. Now when you're in the water itself impacts the amount of visible light being captured by the camera lens, and it can result in photos that look like this. This is a photo I took years ago in Jamaica, and as you can see, there are high levels of blue and green light, making the photo look washed out. In order to correct for that, you would use a lens filter. Specifically in the ocean, you would want to use a red lens filter, as this will reduce the amount of blue and green light being captured by the lens. Unfortunately, we are in southern Ontario today, very far away from any oceans, and the water here is more of a yellowy-greeny kind of color. And for that, my understanding is anyways, you would want a magenta filter. Now, I have no experience filming or taking shots underwater, and I have 3 filters to choose from: red, magenta, and pink. So I figured today we would try all 3 out, see which one works the best, and we would also take some unfiltered shots just for a comparison. So I think we're going to do unfiltered first, followed by red, then pink, and then hopefully saving the best for last, the magenta. Let's snap them on and try them out. So, based on what I saw out there, the pink actually looked like it was a little bit better than the magenta, but let's do a side-by-side comparison and see how they actually look. Let me start by saying that water depth has a big impact on how well the filters work. As you can see here, right near the surface, the color of the filter itself really comes through. And, as we get deeper, the color begins to correct itself. As you can see here, the yellow-green color of the lake is very apparent without a filter. As a comparison, the pink and the magenta filter are removing some of that yellow and green light, providing a more color-corrected image. However, at this depth, you still have a little bit of the tint from the magenta filter. As we get deeper, that magenta tint begins to fade away, and at this depth, the magenta filter definitely seems to be providing the best image. As you can see, there's still a lot of the yellow and green without a filter as well as with the pink filter. Even here under the dock, the magenta filter still seems to be the best option, as more details are visible in the dark areas. And for the selfie, again, magenta seems to be the winner. Alright, so I hope you guys found that somewhat informative. The reason I'm making this video is I have some scuba diving trips planned in the not so distant future, so keep your eyes open for those. If you liked what you saw here today, please give us a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time.